I better turn on the lights, and voila, this is my room after 4 years of collecting stuff. Well, it is, well, relatively big, but still small. Now it contains 3 parts. The first part is where I sleep, so yeah, you don't have to mind it. And the third, well, actually the second and the third is here and here. Wait, let me focus. So this is basically where I do my 3D designs. I'm using SolidWorks. Right now I'm working on my 3D printer. Well, actually the second one, well, it's not the second one. I'm actually going to take that, remove everything, take this and put this in that. So yeah, that will be fun. And this is my second monitor, so basically if I'm editing my videos, I'll be sitting right here. And yeah, unfortunately if I'm studying, which if you don't know, I'm still a student, I'm right here. So this is basically the stuff I'm supposed to be studying, and this is the stuff I'm actually studying. Well, most of it, because well, I literally have no time. This is a lot of books, that all the good stuff that they don't teach you in school. So far I only read like half of them. Yeah, sucks to be me. This is an old DVD. Now this is actually a development board that I made last year. It actually have a nano and a motor driver, an LCD, and all that good stuff. So it is good for students and for, well, kids. I gave my brother a nano, and he said he cannot use it because he cannot access the pins. So I made this, gave it to him, but he gave it back saying that well, he don't want to learn Arduino. He's gonna lose anyway. Now this is an old Antica ampermeter, and this is something that I printed. I actually have a video of it, like butt plug or something. Now this is basically where all the good juicy stuff are sitting. Of course I have a lot of tools, which I paid a lot for them. This is my handmade generator. I actually made a video about it, link in the description. This is actually my first ever owned generation. It is using an old computer, and this is basically my first ever owned multimeter. Of course I upgraded to this one right here, which is a Noto range. And finally I have, wait, let it wait. I finally have an oscilloscope. Yeah, this is actually a $20 oscilloscope, and it works kind of. I mean, it is not very precise, but hey, we are not about precision here, right? Just stay there. And this is my 3D printer. Now this is basically a Brusa MK2 copy, which, well, I made a month ago. Now this is a lot of, well, unfortunately defected parts, because the filament actually got jammed inside, and well, at least it didn't print spaghetti, so that's a good thing. But the bad thing is I'm running out of filaments. I gotta buy a new one, but it costs a lot. Now this is basically a lot of times went into this, so I have a lot of, for example, a lot of adapters, I have a lot of parts. Now I've been collecting these for 4 years. I have all kind of stuff. I mean, I'm not flexing or anything, just like, if you really like put an effort into something, you can end up with something like this, or more amazing, since we don't really have PayPal in my country, so I'm struggling to get parts, but hey, no point in crying. And this is actually my Raspberry Pi setup. So right now it is actually using Raspberry Zero, and I'm using a power hub. Actually, you need a power hub to use the Arduino set. You need a power hub to actually use the your Raspberry Pi Zero, and I'm actually attaching an old, well, not old but cheap $10 microscope. Actually posted a picture on it on my Facebook page in case you wanna have a look at it. And I have here all sort of stuff, for example Arduinos, STMs, and yeah, all the juicy stuff. This is what happened when your mother give you money, or at least in my case, well, I actually have a lot of money. This is going to upgrade the printer, so that's a no for me. And yes, and yep, this is actually, yeah, I'm actually working on a project right now. I'm making a boom arm. So basically I found this in the junkyard. It is supposed to be a lamp. I took it apart, I'm gonna spray it with paint, and then I'm gonna make it a whole something to hold this microphone. So this is gonna be my, well, everyday microphone used when I'm on my computer. So I want a good stand for it. And yep, this is basically what happened when you, well, get money from your parents for 4 years and you never give up. Yeah, I hope this was, well, kinda inspiring, I guess. And yes, I hope you can, well, subscribe to the channel, and maybe I will see you in the next video, which I'm gonna talk about this 3D printer. Now, I've been really pushing the video a lot because I wanted to make tests on the printer. I wanted to upload something that does actually works, and well, I kinda, well, have a lot to say about this printer. So yeah, so stay tuned for the next video, and yes, I will see you soon. Bye.